There are men who are 24 and boys who are 35. Maturity is a mindset, not age. Here are 12 signs that you are mature. 1. You realize that no one is coming to help you. It is your struggle, and you must fight it alone. 2. You will never wait for the perfect moment. And you work hard to make your luck rather than waiting like a rock. 3. You will set boundaries with others to protect your mental health because people may take advantage of your kindness. 4. You spend at least 1 hour per day writing and reading to increase your intelligence and learning. 5. You work a second job or start a business to generate $5,000 per month so you can protect your family from the next financial emergency. 6. You have never cheated, lied, or kept secrets in your relationship. You are always faithful and loyal to your partner. 7. You never consume junk food or processed foods, and you always choose a healthy diet. 8. You are grown enough to not compare yourself to others and to believe in yourself. 9. You won't interfere in other people's affairs and will just focus on your own. 10. You never follow advice from people who have never been where you want to be, because you are in charge of your own life. 11. Instead of enthusiasm and inspiration, you embrace discipline to achieve your goals. 12. You will never become addicted to cheap pleasures such as porn, video games, or alcohol. And you will always chase your life's purpose. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.